बाजू में कौन उधर जूता
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Social Biker. Now I am still in Goa. Now today I'm going to do a hidden location in Goa. We have already done in Mumbai, Maharashtra, now today in Goa. So today I'm going to a place where not much people know. So I had done an earlier vlog on Arambul beach. Now there's a place in Arambul which is very hidden and it was only recently discovered by some Israelites, and it's known as the Baba, the Arambul Baba, or it's commonly known as the banyan tree. So please follow me today so that I can take you through this, and I'll show you how to reach over there. And it's a very good place and it's interesting place. I've never been there, so let me show you this place. Come on. Squids everywhere. So as soon as you enter the Arambul, you park your bikes over there. You pay the 20 rupees parking fees and then you go straight inside and then take a right. Is that right, Bhavya?
Yes.
So Bhavya has been here once, so he is the person who is going to take us over there. So we enter and take a first right. I mean, we enter the beach and take the right straight. So guys, we took a right from the entrance and we are walking on the beach. Now see the direction of my hand, that is the place where we need to go. First you will see a line of shops, and if you walk through the shops it will take around 20 minutes as per Bhavya. And then we go behind that mountain which you can see straight, and once you go there you will see a Sweetwater Lake, and post that Sweetwater Lake is the place where we need to go. So we are heading towards that. So let's see how much time it takes. We have put a stopwatch, so I'll let you know how much time it takes to walk. So what you need to do is you need to keep walking straight, and now we are going to reach the patch where there is shops. So post that shops we again walk for around 10-15 minutes, and that's where our destination is. And over here the best part is you can do paragliding as well. And this paragliding is not everywhere in India, but this place is good for it. It's safe as well. So if I get a chance, if I get an opportunity, I will show you the place where you can do paragliding and also let you know the rates for it. So this is the shop lane which we have to cross now. Many varieties of shops, restaurants, shishas, everything is available over here. It's a very nice lane. Oh yeah, missed. You want to see the view? See the view. And now when we come over here, now this is a wonderful place behind me. So I'll just show you, it's a really beautiful place, and please do not create garbage over here. That's the instruction written, and it's a nice place to click photographs. So we'll just go down. So now we are walking from last 25 minutes and we are tired and we have still not reached the Sweetwater Lake, but now we'll reach the beach and we are going to hit the beach once again. So yeah, it takes some time. It's tiring as you can see in my face, but I'm sure that place is going to be worth it. So now we have entered the beach. You can spot far away there is paragliding going on, and oh, beautiful. I'm not sure whether you can see it in the cam. There's Om written over there, and that is the direction which we need to follow, and this is done by some local over here just so that we can follow the route, and that's the place. So we'll keep heading towards Om, and it will take around 10-15 minutes to reach that, if I'm not wrong. So we have managed to spot a beautiful looking wooden bridge. So it's written Sweet Valley Cottage, but it's a nice bridge. So I'll just take you there just to see that. And this behind me is the Sweetwater Lake, Arambol Sweetwater Lake, and this is a place also where you get the Multani Matti, as I've heard. So I'll go and explore over there and find out what it is. This is the bridge, just for my viewers. This Sweetwater Lake, there's many people having bath, and it's a clean water, it's a sweet water, it's not a salty one. So it's just bang opposite the sea, and then the sea meets this sweet water, it goes into the sea, and people are having bath. It's pretty clean, and I would expect that if anyone is coming here, please do not spread any garbage. That's a humble request. So guys, so far if you have guys liked this hidden location, please give it a like, and also please do subscribe. There will be more videos coming like this, and I'm sure you're going to have a fun watching this. This is a place where people are having baths, not that deep, it's a shallow pool. So we just exited the Sweetwater Lake. Sweetwater Lake is on my right hand side, just behind me, this. And then from here we walk straight, and once you walk straight you will see the Om signature and the eyes made over here. So I'll show you through the another angle of the camera. Yes, can you see the eyes? And right next to it is the Om, and this is the footpath. I mean, this is the path which leads to the forest place and to the Baba, the Banyan Baba. This looks like a small trek, and I'm liking it. This is my type of exploring, to be honest. Beware of snakes, lot of snakes around here, so protection is expected. Beware of snakes. Yes, written over here on all the rocks. So this is the route. So you spot this Om and then you follow this Om. So this Om will take you to the place known as the banyan tree, that is Arambol Baba. So that you do not get lost, they have made this. So one thing over here, guys, is there's a lot of foreigners who come over here because they know about it, and it's a word of mouth publicity. So you will see a lot of foreigners upstairs, but Indians, the crowd is less, and also it's not that easy to access. So a very nice place. I am sure this is my favorite location out of all the hidden locations that I've done so far. So it's a very nice location. So far, if you have managed to see the video, don't forget to give a like to this video, and also do comment if you like this video, if you want more of these contents or not. Then if you want it, I will make it for sure. There's tents as well over here which people have placed. Sure, it's all foreigners. What a place to tent, what a place to camp. Amazing. So earlier I showed you that you need to follow the Om signature sign, on the rocks. There's one more thing which you can do. There would be always some drums being played around, and there will be people who's playing drums, and there might be Baba who is playing drums. But you follow that tone and you will reach to that place. And it's quite nearby now. It's just like 1 minute. I'm not sure whether we can video vlog over there, but we'll see. So we are at the banyan tree. Straight forward is a banyan tree. I will not make some noise because I might be asked not to vlog over here. So go quietly. Let's see.
बांट के खा लेंगे इसमें क्या ये भी जो
उधर तेरा तेरा राइट हैंड किधर जा रहा है उधर जा रहा है
मारा उसने क्या कर रहे हैं रिकॉर्ड मत कर
बोल
वो तेरा ही आई तो रे लमडाड़ा बनाएंगे
So guys, I'm really sorry I couldn't vlog over there. I had to take some hidden shots. It is very dangerous over there because they said not to shoot, and if you get caught, everyone is on high on narcotics, high on drugs. If you get caught, there's a chance that you might get killed as well. So do not take that chance. It's a very risky thing which I've done, but I would suggest please do not video shoot over there. It's prohibited. So guys, just a brief update. We are now here to collect the Multani Mitti. We have Vijay and Bhavya who are busy applying some and collecting some.
Guys,
So
here
let's
we
see
have
what's happening.
Bhavya and Vijay who are applied it on their face. Now let's see what they got to say about it.
So guys, this is the Multani Matti collection over here. Here is one rock and there is few more rocks over there which you can't see. I don't think so you'll be able to see.
You can see those white patches.
Yeah.
They're one of them.
So we have applied it on our face and we are going to wash it down the stream on the Sweetwater Lake. So this is what you can do. It is very good for skin, and if you want you can collect it some like Bhavya is doing. You can go it and apply it in the home when you reach. So guys, as you see, we have applied the Multani Matti and we are going to walk down. It was an amazing journey. So just to share an update, so we went there. Earlier it was very risky for us to shoot something over there, but then we got friendly with the people. They are very friendly people. The Baba especially, I would like to mention. He is an amazing person. One quote which he has said is superb. I'll keep it for my lifetime. जाने वाले को रोको मत, आने वाले को टोको मत, which should be the principle. I like that wordings. I'll keep it. So yes, I hope you like this hidden location vlog, and this was one of the best location I've covered in my vlog. So hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. If you like this, you can give it a subscribe, and thank you so much guys, and really appreciate you for watching, and stay tuned for many more locations to come. Thank you guys.